So, I've had this for more than a year. As you can see, November 2016, that label says. I've been that lazy not to open this. So I only opened up the top, and inside it's got YouTube in it. So if I take this out, get rid of the box, because there's nothing else in there. Let's lift this off. Get rid of the polystyrene. A little message from our Susan, and you can pause it if you really want to read it. Yoink. Got the 100,000 subscriber plaque. Like I say, I've had this for since 2016, and I haven't been able, or I couldn't be bothered to actually open it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a great big smudge on that side of the play button inside the glass. Now, I thought these things were sealed, but apparently not. You can hear it sliding from one side to the other, so I may open this up a little bit later to give that a good clean. But it's pretty cool. It's got my name and says congrats for surpassing 100,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool, and that's more than what can seat Wembley Stadium, so that's awesome. So I guess this video is, how do you get your own YouTube play button? First of all, be consistent. No matter how many videos you choose to do, whether it's 1 a week, 2 a week, or every single day, pick a time and consistently upload. Number 2, do what you love. Don't just do videos about what everybody else does, because you'll soon get bored and stop making videos. So choose a subject that you love and you'll keep on making videos and it won't seem like work. Number 3, just do it. If you've recorded a video and it's not quite perfect, just upload it. Don't procrastinate and try and improve it here, improve it there. Just upload it and learn from your mistakes as you go. Don't try and match the big YouTubers, because they put a lot of money behind their videos and you can't compete when you're starting out. So content is king. As long as your content is good and your audio is audible, then you can always improve. The more videos you do, the faster you'll get at editing and you'll learn the tricks of the trade. So just do it. And finally, don't go out and spend a load of money on brand new computers or equipment, because you don't need it. So just use what you have. Nowadays, everybody has a smartphone. I still record on a smartphone. These things, cameras are absolutely awesome, so you don't need a dedicated camera. And you can also edit on these things as well, so you've got no excuse. Those are my tips on how you can get your very own YouTube play button. It's harder than it looks, believe me, but I've got mine finally mounted on the wall right next to, I'm gonna call this my darkness. So this is my light. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and go get it.